As far as I can tell, all you have to do is fucking spread it like that. That's all you can do. Anyway. Pull that bad boy out. Oh, this is really convenient, actually. Not even gonna lie. You get Taiwan to buy these. Yeah, that's where this is from. Taiwan. As is the keyboard, actually. Which is why the documentation is so fucking awful. I didn't see 1976 ones, actually. All I saw was the Miami and the Sunset. And I know they're doing a sundown one as well. I think next month I might get that as well. Half the keys won't fit. I know you can like buy layouts that have the UK keys. I'm just gonna remove up to 3, and then I'll actually put a few on. Yeah, like 1976. Go ahead, dude. I almost just typed on the keys right here. I'm really dumb. Yeah, go ahead and link it if you want, dude. Alright. Escape key. This is concerning. Alright. Let's see what we got here. There. I feel like I'm getting some feedback from that though. Maybe I'm wrong. I know you're banger. I've seen your Twitter name change and all that. I'm aware of who you are, sir. I keep up with these things. Hey, Murder, how are you? It's Murder. Looking pretty good so far. I just realized the escape key is the tilde key as well, I believe. Let's see. It is. What about shift escape? Okay, I guess. Hello? What? Let me see. Where the fuck is it? How the fuck do you do that? Control? No, it's not it. No, it's not either. Why is that Windows in the first place? Hello? Nice. Good shit. Oh man. I have to work on these shortcuts for sure, dude. Trying to figure out how the fuck you get the apostrophe. Am I just dumb? I'm hitting P in. I'm still not doing it though. Yeah, it's on Mousetrap right now, dude. For like 40 bucks. Oh, fuck me. I can't figure it out, man. Anyway, I'll deal with it later. Someone could look up how to do the sideways apostrophe on Google for me. That'd be sick. Hey, that's pretty good. Getting fucked by shipping there, but you know, what do you expect? Why did I just try to key pull something that was on a layout? Am I that dumb? Oh. There has to be some better way to open this. Has to be. Hey, that's pretty good. I unplugged it so I don't keep pressing keys. What's this? That doesn't help me, dude. 15 ms. I think that's for maybe audio editing or video editing, I believe.
What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down. Hey, that's a pretty good idea. I'll give you the moon, right?
I'll take it.
It's good ass music too. Good music. I should probably stop pulling off individually and just pull in a row, but you know, I like spending plenty of time on something I shouldn't be doing. Hello, thank you. Yes, I always pause free. The thing on the you saw it on the layout there. It's like right there. You can obviously tell this is gonna take me a fucking decade to do. At first told me, oh, it's only gonna take you 30 minutes. Yeah, about that. Hello? Thanks. It is pretty good, White Kid. Yeah, grave symbol. That's it. Again, I almost pulled a keycap from that. Why am I so dumb? I am dumb as shit, dude. Hello? Thanks. I keep fucking doing it. I've done it 3 times in a row. Howard fuck it's pronounced. Hey, Fives, thanks man. Appreciate it. So the warehouse deals said that there was going to be some front damage. I'm thinking this is the front damage because there's no LEDs in this fucking spacebar at all. But the right arrow combination worked fine. So if I'm ever programming something, I won't know, basically. Pretty good, Jort. I guess this is what happens when you buy shop Amazon warehouse deals. I told Efros over and over I have a bad feeling about this, and he's like, nah, I'll be fine. Well, here we are. And no, it's the end of the world. I'm gonna kill myself after this stream. Definitely is the end of the world, folks. This is my last stream. Yeah, this is MX Cherry Blue. Can I please pull the backspace? Holy shit. Are you kidding me? This is hell. I found hell, and here it is. Fucking kill me now, fam. Cut from Matt 2016. It's not on wires. There we go. It's just, I'm a stabilizer. See? It's murder. Yeah, see, there's no wire on this. It's just MX stabilizers. This stream is oddly satisfying. Thanks, James. Is it on? I can't even tell if it's on or not. It keeps wiggling around. It's not on. Definitely not on. Being very careful with this. Hello? There. Are these fucked up? Let's see. I think I just didn't have them on right. I feel like that's on, you know? This is kind of a bitch to do. I gotta put commands on? I already have. I feel like that's not flush. I feel like that's just not flush. If you guys look at it, like, it doesn't seem flush. Does it seem flush to you guys? Hey, look closer. Maybe it's just me. Oh man, something about this. Throws me off a little bit. Sure, whatever. Fuck it. Is it supposed to? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Things are supposed to look flush whenever you put them on to a keyboard. Not supposed to be sticking out or dumb or shitty. Yeah, I don't like the font they use on the default keys, Fevs. Not a fan of Gothic, wherever the fuck it is. Gothic Bank, I believe. Hello? I was about to say it's a 6 again. Then I realized that's upside down 9. There we go. Is this the other picture of you and your tortillas? Oh, it's not. Cool. Yours doesn't even look flush, honestly. It looks like the backspace sticks out more. Yeah, okay, fair enough. What is this? Oh, that trees could talk? I don't know if that's not exactly the, Let's just play this. I wonder if tab has a stabilizer. Probably, right? I like how this doesn't hook. There we go. That doesn't have a stabilizer. Would you look at that? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hello? Like, why are you wiggling so much? What the fuck? Did I fuck something up? I'm just put tab back on and see what it looks like normally. Okay, normally. It just wasn't on. It still wiggles a little bit though. There. Seems good. Wow, that's really fucking wiggly. It kind of concerns me a little bit, honestly. Should be okay though, I believe. I put it on right. Nice. Hey, help. I think it clicks down, right? Oh, it's not wiggling anymore. I think I fixed it. I'm not wiggling as much. Maybe it'll go flush when I put everything else on it properly. What are you guys fucking doing, dude? You guys are spamming chat for no reason, man. Why are you doing this? Wow, that's not concerning at all. Maybe it's just getting... a little pressure to that shit, you know? Know what I'm saying? Snap that fucking switch, bro. Get that big boy on there. How do I open the command list so you don't? The commands are not important right now. What is important is watching me install these keycaps for hours on end. What? Hello? Like, fucking fit on properly. Alright, Rusty, see you in a bit. What is Vape Nation? That is a better Twitch TV emote. Get one, exactly. Perfect. Is there an app that gives you more emotes? Yeah. On Android, there is an app I don't remember the name of. There is 2 web apps called Better Twitch TV and Frankerface Z. BetterTTV.net and FrankerfaceZ.net or .com, I believe. And those both give you more commands, more customization ability on Twitch, and more emotes, depending on if the streamer has them or not. Pushing them real hard. Gotta make sure to flush, dude. I don't want, you know, wiggly keys. Know what I'm saying? This is an ASMR stream. I'm glad. I'm glad you're enjoying the ASMR. Alright, cool. Diagonal on this one, I guess. Okay, there's no stabilizer, so it doesn't fucking matter. Cool. Cool. I think these kept say a lot about my personality. What, I'm gay? If I base my entire personality off of my sexual preference. Call me gay, dude? You wanna fucking fight me, dude? Fight me at SGQ. See me on these streets. See me on these cold Minneapolis streets. I'll fight you right in the middle of motherfucking America. I don't think I won't. Please pull. Thank you. It is a Pok3r, 7th dimension. These wiggly keys though. I don't know, it's kind of off-putting. Oh my god, you have meows. You sick fuck. You sick fuck. Is this O? I guess this is O. I can't really tell because of the fucking font. There. It is pretty expensive, yeah. It's like 140 for backlit, 120 for non-backlit, and I ended up getting a non-backlit one, ironically enough. Because I ordered off Amazon fucking warehouse deals and didn't have backlights. Felt bad, man. I'm gonna have to contact Amazon anyway. If they're like, please return your keyboard, I'm like, oh fuck. Or does she at least give me like 20 bucks or 30 bucks? What the hell was that noise? They're doing construction on downstairs. €145. Sounds about right. Razer keyboards have really shitty Chinese knockoff switches. Up until, I guess what Kish just said, they started doing MX Blues on certain models. I've always thought Razer had really fucking bad switches though. Never enjoyed the sound of them. I always had to hear them when I raced against Riley in GTA 5. So fucking annoying. Third row, boys. Speed switches. Of course you want speed switches, you speed runner. Yeah, they use Calith now. Or Cala. I don't know how you pronounce it. That was loud, not gonna lie. Hey Silver Pepper, what's up, man? You're a little late, but what's up? How you doing? Fuck me, bum. Alright. Hello? Thanks. Please clap. Oh, they're pretty good, man. Thanks for asking. Nice fucking botch there. Europe. I don't know what you were trying to say, to be honest with you. Getting a little faster at this now. Trying not to go too quick though, I don't want to fuck anything up. Alright. Cat, please. There's a cat in the box now. I have not, no. Enter. Probably gonna be a stabilizer under this if I had to guess. Stretch that button boy out. Be diagonal. Be gentle. Okay, alright. This is happening. There we go. That feeling you drop the key on the floor. Hey, that's a pretty good deal. Seems good. Matte pants. All I wear is fucking pajama pants, dude. Like, straight up. I just noticed, is the escape an off color compared to all the others? Yeah, because the escape's supposed to be... Yeah, so it's off. That kind of sucks. Oh well. I'll deal with it. On to shift, which probably has another stabilizer if I had to guess. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, this is happening. Hello? There we go. There. Hyperspace bar. Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch. A bitch and a half. Like it's not in fully. It's like getting stuck. Fucking, what's going on here? Alright, that's the thing that happens, I guess. Nice. How the fuck does that work? Sure, man. Okay. I'm not gonna pull too fucking hard, but there's definitely something going on with these. Did I just pop the fucking stem out? Did I just pop the fucking stem out? Get off one of my feet, Junior. Better. You know, since Windows key already popped off, might as well just install it, right? Good idea. I legitimately thought I popped the stem out though, because it was like whenever I pulled off the key, it was like halfway out, but not fully out, so I didn't completely pop it. Seems to be fine now, actually, though. Now that I've done that. There is a EU UK layout. It's on mechanical keyboards, I believe. Let me get up. Oh, it's on, I think, Chorus KB? Yeah, there you go. It's on Chorus KB. It says, ISO UK, so. Get out of here. My cats are so needy, man. It's crazy. Alright. The Wild. Yeah, they're all different. Look at this letter. Look at it. Why does it exist? Why does this script exist? Cool hook, I guess. There. In the world. Now my cat wants food, of course. I'm right in the middle of something. Why don't you skedaddle out of here, huh? Just being a brat. Now what? 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 Can't get any privacy around here, I swear to God, man. These fucking cats. Yeah. About to come up to the biggest bitch in the world. If only Effers was here to help me. Personally, not in chat. No function grave key. That is the escape key. Also functions right here. Sitting there holding this key like, what the fuck am I doing? The Anthony music guy. Fontana. The Black Anthony Fontana, is that Effers? Fly him in, yeah. He'll come all the way back to Florida just to help me with the keyboard. What a friend he would be. Love Effers though, he's a good dude. There we go. That was less of a bitch than the other one, at least. We're gonna save space for final boss, probably. Probably, yep. Control. Wow, nice. Almost dropped it right into the slot. Wait, take out both alt keys and leave them empty. Yeah, new keyboard, man. What's up, Maxie? How you doing, bud? Alright, let's do that then. It's a good idea, Porcelain. Is there any function key? No, of course not. Why would there be? I'll just have to remember. Actually, it's in the same color as you. Escape, yeah, because the escape's supposed to go with the purple row up here. It's very minor though, honestly. I don't see too much of a big deal out of it. I don't think it's a big fucking problem. Let's see. I could just like swap all these for the F1s and not have any numbers, but why would I do that, you know? I have a major problem. What would that be? Shut up. Cat wants to get out. Get out of here. Come on. Hey Kyler, how are you? One part. Did it, dudes. We did it. Might be a problem having these extra ones here. Seems to be good. Seems fine. Leaving because of the stun music? Alright. Feel free to peace out. Alright. We did it, guys. We finished the thing. Hello? Oh, cool. What else we got?
Hurt feelings are bound to happen. Just bliss out.
Talking like it wasn't what it was. King of the hill. Big bang ring in his bell. Talking like it won't be what it will. Swim with the krill. Use codes, usurp thrones. Food bar crews out New York homes. Students of a cruel world mutate room noise. Illustrate man as a food-shaped chew toy. Dwarf mode, shoes don't fit. Wire cut, grumpy honeymoon, close pin. Firebug, tummy, bloody blue nose pit. I got 99 problems, 22 is. Yo, I never don't trip. Code name. Cold brains in his bowl, got the game show rigged. Oh, sugar, the butcher, and it's readily unsettling. Fury are impervious to conventional weaponry. Undead Kennedy is heathen's hammer. Stakes through the heart of the teens and campers who came for the trees and the cheesy banter, and they pray to the cross in between your antlers. Oh shit. Oh shit. Some fancy pants and a stussy hat just because I'm motherfucking bringing ugly back.
Do you see that? On the caps lock? It's like glowing purple because of the keys. Yeah, it's not backward at all. Feels bad, man. Oh well. That's a really cool effect on the caps lock, though. It's very subtle. That's cool, though. I like it.